All right, so today we're going to go through real quickly the online assignments here for 492W. First off, here's the steps with doing it. The PowerPoint online assignment is on Angel, and then the other documents, the templates, are underneath that online projects. First off, you want to do the homework. It's just a brief overview over the peer evaluations. Do that individually, and then as a group. You'll complete a response quiz, which you'll need to do as a team, and then also review the team contract, sign that. All this will be due when we get back after break for class. First off, the peer eval, you can see it's just a quick reflection, so I'd encourage you to do this, take some notes individually, and then you'll be able to work together as a group. Where we're going to use this then is for your final project, Project 7. As a class, you'll design evaluations for the whole group. That'll be part of your grade in Project 7. Again, a reminder here, as we go into the second half of the semester, the team projects are assessed twofold. It's your team product grade you'll get, but then it's also a combination of your contribution and effort that you give individually. And we'll go through how that works. Again, it's an opportunity for you to be involved in the process, designing your own evaluations, and hopefully set you up for success. The workshop, the way we'll apply some of that workshop from the peer evaluation that you just did is when you do design your evaluations, you start with the criteria and definitions, go from maximum to minimum. The criteria need to work for all of the groups, and then as a class you need to agree. Keep the point system simple, and then use action verbs to clearly describe the criteria so it's easy for everyone. Remember, the purpose of evaluations in a workplace is to give feedback for improvement. So you're going to see, we'll set this up so that there's no perfect scores so that you can find rooms for improvement. And then lastly, the workshop here, the only feedback piece we need here is for you to give me some feedback on the way I can evaluate you best for the rest of the semester. Next thing is then we'll do an individual assessment, your midterm and structure feedback. You all started, remember, with a maximum of 100%. You lose points when you're unexcused absences. You can gain when you use a positive in-class action. You can go below 0 with this. And this is a semester-long total that I've been recording. It's applied to Project 7. It's 25% of your overall grade. So it's an easy way to get points. Basically, participate in class. And the way you can do that is attendance, obviously. Participate, more questions with the CPDs, get more involved. You need to do notes and connect the future projects. Also look ahead and use Angel, stay on task. Remember, again, all team projects are a combination of the team product grade, but also then your individual contribution. On the negative end, if you give no effort, then you could get a 0 for these team projects. If you give 100%, obviously you get 100% of that team grade. Now you've got to do a team response quiz. Again, you can do this individually, but it's probably best just working together. The first part is you need to decide if you're going to stay with your current team. If you want to make moves, you want to look at doing that now. We'll finalize that if there's anybody who wants to make a move when we get back from break. The rules here, though, there's no exceptions to it. We need to stay between 4 or 6 to a team, and then also there can be no more than 5 business teams per class, which we're set up with right now. I'd encourage you to look at then what you need to do, need to do is as a group watch this video, or you can do it individually. It helps kind of get you set up. It's only 3.5 minutes, but it's a very good one to get started. The following steps then for the quiz is what we're doing with this then is preparing you for the first team project you're going to do when you get back, where you're going to interview and analyze a business organization and hopefully gain a lot of reality-based information that you can use for your business. You'll write up the draft to the response quiz. Again, if it's done correctly, and if you're involved with it, then you get the 100%. If you're not, it's 0, so it's all or nothing, but it's pretty easy. Make sure to put your organization's name at the top of this. You can decide on something, obviously it can change, so just get something down for now. Make sure you've got full names of your team members, not just first and last, please. And then answer all the questions. Just do a good job. Kind of cross your T's and dot your I's. Should be pretty simple. Again, when you start to do the answers, this is what you're looking to do, what type of org or business you're going to target. And again, it's project 5, if you want to look at the rubric there. Some specific orgs to research, develop a team plan, kind of task roles, checklists, look at a timeline, look at the syllabus, and you'll see it's going to happen pretty quick turnover as soon as we get back. So that's why we want to prepare beforehand. And then just go ahead and hand in that team plan for your site visit. The second part is then to actually review the contract, which is on Angel, and it's on the project piece here, online project. Make sure you review it, go through the details of that, sign that, and make sure all the members of your team are signed. So real simple, complete the workshops 1 and 2, and type that up as a group. Give me some feedback. Secondly, print out and complete as a team the response quiz 1. So you're prepared for that first team project. Bring that along with, and then print and sign your team contract, and we're ready to go. We'll do a quick reflection when we get back, but hopefully this gets you set up for the second half of the class as we go from individual to team or business groups. And we'll have a great finish here, and it'll be fun to see what successful businesses you design this semester. Thanks.